Hello everyone, good evening. So here we shall solve the questions 15 and 16 in the exercise additional practice questions in the chapter Trigonometric Identities. So in question number 15, in the additional practice question, it has been told to prove that sec theta minus tan theta divided by sec theta plus tan theta, that is equal to 1 minus 2 sec theta into tan theta plus 2 into tan square theta. So therefore, in the left hand side, it is given that this is sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta plus tan theta. Now we can multiply both the numerator and the denominator by sec theta plus by sec theta minus tan theta. So sec theta minus tan theta by sec theta minus tan theta. So simply we are multiplying and dividing by the same expression, which is sec theta minus tan theta. So in the numerator, we will have sec theta minus tan theta whole square and divided by this is sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. So we know that a plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So I can say this will be equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. And also we know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So this will be equal to sec theta minus tan theta whole square, since the denominator value is 1. So we know that a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here also we can write it as this is secant square theta then plus tan square theta minus this is 2 sec theta into tan theta. Now this sec square theta again, sec square theta we can write it as 1 plus tan square theta. So this will be equal to 1 plus tan square theta plus tan square theta minus 2 sec theta tan theta. So this will be equal to 1 minus 2 sec theta tan theta then plus 2 tan square theta, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence then the question number 16, it has been told that we have to prove that sec a minus tan a whole square, sec a minus tan a whole square, that is equal to 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a. Therefore, in the left hand side, it's told that this is equal to sec a minus tan a whole square. Now, therefore, sec a I can write it as 1 by cos a minus tan a we can write it as sin a by cos a. So it's whole square. So this will be equal to, if we take the LCM of the denominator, this should be cos a, and the numerator will have 1 minus sin a, then it's whole square. So this will be equal to 1 minus sin a whole square divided by cos square a. Now we know that cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a. Cos square a we know that is equal to 1 minus sin square a. So this we can take it as 1 minus sin a whole square divided by 1 minus sin square a. And we also know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So it means that 1 minus sin square a can be written as 1 plus sin a into 1 minus sin a also. Sin into 1 minus sin a. So this we can write as 1 minus sin a whole square divided by this is 1 minus sin a into 1 plus sin a. So 1 minus sin a will get cancelled. So this would be equal to 1 minus sin a by 1 plus sin a, which is equal to the right hand side. So hence good. So hope all of you understood the solutions of these questions 15 and 16. Still any doubts if you have, please write them in the comments. We shall obviously clarify them. Please install our Sapience education application also. It shall be obviously helpful for exam. So thank you everyone. Bye.